Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, for once in my life, we're going to have a look at the most popular version, which is the up-tempo version recorded by Stevie Wonder in 1967. The song was originally written as a ballad by Ron Miller and Orlando Murden, and many earlier recordings exist by artists such as Barbara McNair and Tony Bennett. Motown founder Berry Gordy didn't like the version recorded by Stevie Wonder, so after pressure from Motown's internal quality control team, who did like it, the song was released eventually as a single in 1968 and went on to become a hit. The genre is soul, R&B, or simply Motown. And the music was performed by Motown's in-house band, the Funk Brothers, with Earl Van Dyke playing the acoustic piano. The song does a full round in the key of F, and after the first chorus, the song modulates to F sharp for a further full round. The song in itself is very busy with plenty of chord movement. Earl Van Dyke begins playing with lots of bluesy embellishments, but maybe decides it's just a bit too much, and so opts for settling into a more rhythmic pattern. Nonetheless, in my view, the piano part is very challenging. I suggest you play it in a way that is most comfortable for you. Because of the busy chord movement, it's unlikely that I would play it the same way twice. But I suggest you take from this what you like and leave what you don't. As always, a song arrangement and basic chord sheet will be in the description box below. Here's how I would play it.